Good morning, all of you. How are you? Fine. Now start the new topics. New topic is related the medical field line because related to chapter 4. You can see in my previous video the medical field line and long straight wire create a circular carrying current. Next point I start to be, so all of student be alert and welcome to Hanuman Singh official platform पर all of student be alert and please can be seen my next video the medical field on the axis of a circular current loop. Next video is the very important circular current loop. You can see this picture. This picture is the created by circular current loop. Okay, this is the circular current loop and this current is the flow the right hand thumb law. So right hand thumb law के according this लोड से करंट इनर साइड में एंटर हो रहा है और अपर से जो करंट है वो आउटर की ओर जो है आउटर डायरेक्शन में आउट हो रहा है. There are created 2 points. This point, their point P is find the medical field. Okay, point P is the created two components dB cos theta and dB sin theta. So first of all, dl the current element at the top of the loop. This top of the loop of the current element, where s be the position vector, r be the distance from the center. Okay, and phi here, phi be the angle between OP and CP. Okay, OP and CP are the angle there are created. O point here, so OP and CP with the angle phi. Now dB can be resolved into two rectangle component dB sin phi. Along the x-axis both are the same direction, so dB sin phi here and dB sin phi here both are create the same direction x-axis. So add या only for the judgment टॉप अपर लेयर का ही काउंट करेंगे, अपर लोअर अपर सर्कुलर लूप का काउंट करेंगे तो ओनली फॉर dB sin एक ही कंपोनेंट को यूज करेंगे और लोअर का भी काउंट करेंगे तो dB sin phi को हम ट्वाइस से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. एंड dB cos phi आपके पास में जो दे रखा है dB cos phi and dB cos phi be the perpendicular to the axis of the loop will be equal and opposite and will cancel out. dB cos phi and dB cos phi both are equal and opposite, so cancel out only for the active dB sin phi. So according to Biot-Savart law, so write down this component, this point. Yes. Now the second point is the next point is the according to the Biot-Savart, according to Biot-Savart law is saying that dB is equal to mu 0 4 pi I dl sin pi and x square. Here the x square is the position vector and r is the distance between the C and P, in between the center and point P. Okay, so there are create the angle theta. So here is the theta create, and now dl perpendicular s. So theta is equal to 90. Then sin 90, sin theta is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. So maximum component, maximum Biot-Savart value mu 0 4 pi I dl upon s square. Okay. Now only for the one component dB sin phi, so total magnetic field of circular current loop, so dB and dB sin phi. Write down all of you. Yes, dB value are here and where the sin phi value. Sin phi value are creating the angle. Sin phi is the creating the angle triangle CPO. So sin phi is equal to, here is the radius A and distance R and position vector A. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so A upon S. A is the perpendicular and hypotenuse is the S. So S is equal to A upon sin phi. Okay. Yeah, write down the value on the sin phi. Okay, now put the value in equation. Here is the equation 2. Okay, now put the value in equation 2. So now equation first and second, and we get, so dB integration of the dB sin phi, and put the value. Here is the B component and mu 0 4 pi ideal S square, and sin phi is the A upon S value. Okay, and here is the find the A value is the A S sin phi. Okay, yes, now mu 0 upon 4 pi is the constant terminology. So ideal A upon S cube. Write down these values. Okay, now next step is the B is equal to mu 0 I A upon 4 pi S cube, or only for remaining dl. Okay, only for remaining dl. So dl value is the putting here. Now dl value is the 2 pi a, the circumference of the circular loop. So b is equal to mu 0 I a upon 4 pi s cube and 2 pi a. Now pi are cancelled out and 2 cut the 4. So b is equal to mu 0 I a square upon 2 s cube. Okay, write down. Yes, now value of the s cube. So again use the right angle triangle. Triangle is the CPO. So using the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is saying that now s square is equal to, s is the hypotenuse, so r square plus a square. So s is equal to r square plus a square by root 2. Okay, put there here, and next equation are create. So b is equal to mu 0 I a square upon 2 r square plus a square upon value 3 by 2. Which value? 3 by 2. Okay. This magnetical field is the only for the create x direction. So now write down the Cartesian coordinate. So bx is equal to mu 0 I a square upon 2 r square plus a square 3 by 2, and here is the I cap. Okay. Now number of turn coil. So B is equal to mu 0 n I a square upon 2 r square plus a square 3 by 2. Okay. And next is the value is the magnetical moment. That the dipole moment again create the magnetical moment. So magnetical moment के केस में इसको और फाइंड आउट करेंगे, तो वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे. ये आप इसको राइट डाउन कर लीजिए, and there are the various case. First case is the r is equal to 0. It means r is equal to 0, the point P goes to the center of point, and center of point. So write down all of you. Now special case is the very important, because the making a MCQ questions. So special case is very important. First case, at the center, and at the center case is very interesting case, because r is equal to 0. So B is equal to mu 0 n I a square upon 2, and r is value 0, the a square power 3 by 2. So 2 are cancelled out. So B is equal to mu 0 n I a square upon 2a cube, and now cancel out. So B is equal to mu 0 n I upon 2a is the create a magnetical field. Okay. And next I create the r is greater and greater than a. It means axial point lies a far distance. Point P is the far distance. So far distance in second point is the r is greater and greater than capital small a square. So magnetical field B is equal to mu 0 n I a square upon 2 r square plus a square 3 by 2. Now r is greater and greater than a square, so a square are neglect only for the remaining r square, and there is the 2 r square and 3 by 2, so cancel out. So B is equal to mu 0 n I a square upon 2 r cube. Again create the magnetical field. So all of students write down. And next point, third point is the r is equal to a. R is equal to a, it means equal distance of the radius. So write down, and now create a new point. So pi, numerator and denominator is multiply pi, and pi is create the area of the circumference. The pi is equal to a is equal to pi a square. So putting there the new point of view, there the numerator and denominator is the divided or multiplied by the pi. So mu 0 n I pi a square and pi r cube. So B is equal to mu 0 n I a is the area of the circumference, and now pi r cube. Okay, so they create a new component. So also write down. And now third point is the r is equal to a. It means the radius and distance are both at the equal point. So the magnetical field mu0 NIA square upon 2 r square plus a square 3 by 2. So magnetical field the mu0 NIA square, and now 2 r replaced by a square plus a square, and there is the a by 2. So b is equal to mu0 NIA square, and here is the 2 and 2a square 3 by 2, and here is the value is the magnetical field mu0 NIA square upon 2 and 2 की power 3 by 2, and here is the 3. Okay, so next point is very simple. The b value is the mu0 and I, and a square is the cancel out, and here is the 2 power 5 by 2a is the center point, is the create a radius, and r and a are both are equal. So write down these values. Okay, all of student, the magnetical field in the circular current loop is the completely finished. I hope you are understand this point is very interesting point and create a maximum MCQs. Okay, so all of student, thank you. लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में इस वीडियो को दें. थैंक यू.